issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Guthrie, or 11 miles south of Elkton, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, Wichita, Cross Plains, Portland, Orlinda, Adams, Cedar Hill, Mitchellville, and Cottontown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 102 and 121. Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 19, and between mile markers 25 and 27. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Montgomery, Tennessee. Taking a look.